Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing Roblox, and today we are accompanied by my friend Ollie. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, he's actually just on the phone right now. He's in the... Yeah. Anyway, he is actually on the phone right now. He actually is in a different state right now. I'm kidding, not a different state, just different country. He's in New Jersey. I'm down in Florida. Anyway, we're gonna be playing a solo right now. What team are you, Ollie? Well, yeah, his name is Ollie. He is a very funny guy.
Red team.
Right now we're gonna... He was just slain. I saw you die, and I will avenge you. Oh, and guys, if you want to friend either of us, his username is Trooper, and my username, Piggyman455. I might not accept the request. I don't want any hackers trying to hack me. Yeah, we can do that, so. Oh, man. Anyway, so, we're gonna just be... Oh, hey. This is my friend. Trooper444OJ is his username. Mine is Pigman455. So if you want to friend any of us... Yes, he will be very happy. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that little bell icon after you do. It would make me very happy if you do. And probably my friend too, right?
Either do the middle one.
Okay.
Okay.
4 team or 2? 4 or 2 team. It doesn't matter. Anyway, what team?
Would be red.
I'm red. Oh, dude.
We're rocket.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Anyway, so if you wanna play this game, whoa, rocket launchers. Anyway, and if you friend us, you will be able to be in a video, probably.
God.
I just got blamed off the map. Anyway, well, guys, if you want to join our game, if you want to be in a... Give me a sec, Ollie. If you want to be in a video, if you want to be featured in a video, be with a YouTuber, then you can just friend me and then you can be in a video if you want. So, yeah.
Guess what weapon I have?
What?
Pistol.
Oh.
So terrible. Look how I cheated.
Anyway.
Wait, Chris. Meet me in like that shop that we first spawned in, okay?
Hey. Dude, Power Chickens is coming. I'm not kidding. That's his username. Power Chickens. That's hilarious. Whoa, this is a cool gun. Dude, look at this gun.
Oh, I think that's a grenade. Yeah, that's a grenade launcher.
Now we got something better. Well, dude,
Oh,
I am...
Oh, come on.
I am...
I'm a deagle.
You are getting pistols, I'm getting guns. Oh, and if you know the name of any of these guns except the RPG, then please tell us the names down in the comments. If you know any of the names of these guns, you can tell us down in the comments, and we will try and reply to your comments, and yeah. Wow, pretty cool. And also, guys, if you want to just play some Roblox, well, it's actually free to download. It has millions of games on it, and yeah. It has millions of games, tons of content, years worth of fun activities on Roblox. So you can go download it for free on your computer, iPad, phone, whatever. You will have a wonderful time. Tons of games you can play on Boom. Some games do cost Robux and some don't. Oh man, a pistol? Seriously?
I just got ice. Somebody killed me. That's so rude.
No, you're trying to kill all them, so it's fair. What? Dude, I literally have a pistol.
Oh, come on. I hate pistols.
Ooh, I got a brand. Dude, look at this. Look at this gun.
Whoa. I think that's a submachine gun.
It is a UMP-45, actually.
What do I have?
It should say it where it says your ammo. I'm getting pistols. This sucks. I'm getting pistols. Oh man. It's bad. Anyway. What? Dude, I can't hear you.
And I got stabbed.
You got stabbed in the back?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, these blue team people are good.
Horrible day.
Anyway.
When I was at school. And then I got hit again. Now it's not.
Dude.
I got killed 5 times. I got already killed 5 times.
Is this laggy to you?
Okay, no, that would be 6 times.
This is really laggy for me. Sorry about this, guys. Having some lag.
I'm scared right now.
I'm having some lag. I'm having some lag right now. It was like frozen.
Get wrecked, son.
Why is it frozen?
Dude, I have a...
What? Anyway. Oh, hey, dude. Oh.
Got shot right in the back. Hey, dude. Oh my god. Dude, I just found a donut that eat.
What? That's weird. Golden knife. Aw, man, the round's over.
I think these are all right. Dude, do you have 7 kills?
I don't know.
You have 7 kills.
Oh,
I
no.
have 17 kills.
Dude,
Wow.
that's weird. Oh!
Okay. It has to be 14. Like, I tell you, it rarely is ever 14s.
Which team?
Blue.
I'm blue. Hey, dude. Look at these guns. These guns are nice. Let's kill some reds.
Dude, avenge me.
I will Avenge me! Yeah, we picked the wrong team. I just got iced to death. Someone just froze me.
Dude, my head just got wrecked.
I'm getting blasted to oblivion right now. I'm literally getting blasted to oblivion.
We just got sneaked back.
I'm getting blasted to oblivion right now. I died. Man down, man down. Man down, man down.
Dude, I got perfectly killed. Sat down. I got perfectly killed.
I have a sniper. Dude, I have a sniper. Dude, it said Piggyman 455 plus trooper. Dude, I'm behind you. I have sniper.
Wait, can I see that gun? What gun is that?
It is a G3 SG1. They're coming.
I have a
Now I have a TEC.
14 Ember.
Now I have a TEC 9. Watch it behind you.
No, they do not.
Dude, we chose the right team. What gun was that?
Dude, I'm about to sneak attack somebody with my knife.
Nice. Actually, I got sneak attacked once. I got sneak attacked with a knife once. Do you guys remember that? It was like 5 minutes ago. Yeah.
I can't believe it, but when I was about to sneak attack somebody, the enemy sneak attacked me.
Oh, man.
Dude, somebody has a railgun.
Dude.
Wait. Oh my god. I can't believe it, but I found a sponsor. Okay. This guy is always behind me.
Are you friended?
No.
Dude, stop. Dude, I see you. Hey, man. Let's kill them.
Oh yeah, I have a snipe.
Nice, dude. Hey, dude, look at this.
No. Avenge me.
I will. Once my game unlags.
No. Hey, dude. Dude, do you see my name tag?
Oh, no. I was disconnected.
My head popped off.
Sorry about that, guys. I was lagging and I got disconnected. This happens in Roblox quite a bit. Also, if you leave your character without moving for a while, this happens too. And yeah.
Dude, I just glitched.
Weird. Anyway.
Nope. Somehow somebody's under here too. And my head popped off.
Well, guys, I think we'll have to end it there on this screen, so I'll see you next video, I guess. Right, Ollie? Will they be seeing you next video, Ollie?
Oh my god, dude, I did a 360 no-scope.
Oh, cool. Anyway, so guys, I think Ollie or my other friend will be here in the next episode, so good thing to look forward to. See you later. Bye!